It's more like looking at it in the face and just admitting the fact that nobody will make you happier than you actually are. And even if they do for a little while, you will be damn miserable later, because once you let go and you just feel the need to let them do whatever they want, you will make sure, or they will make sure, that you are paying everything back later, if I want to put it that way. So you do not want to be at the mercy of this, what seems to be a universal law, that when people need something, they don't get it most of the time. So you don't want to be in a state of need. You do not want to be in a position where people can give you or cannot give you, and based on that you will be happy or not happy. Because trust me, even if you are happy for some time, and I'm assuming a lot of you guys are, it might be you are being in a relationship, it might be a close friend, I don't know, whatever that thing that you feel comfortable about having, and you're just like too much letting go of your emotional well-being to them, so that they can, thinking that through time they will just keep providing and providing more. Trust me, it will not. It will not. And people change. I swear to you, people change. Situation change. Promises change. What is that? Because we're humans. We change all the fucking time. We're emotional beings, right? We're emotional beings. At one moment we're feeling certain thing and we respond to it in a certain way. Another time we feel differently and we respond to things differently based on our emotional state, you know. So you do not want to be this creature who's all about getting helped, who's all about waiting to be supported by someone else. I'm not saying that being supported or getting help is a wrong thing, don't get me wrong here. All I'm saying, you want to make sure that you are the one who's making yourself happy. And I don't care how the fuck you're gonna do it. You're gonna learn how to fucking do it. There's ways out there. There's a lot of ways that you can do, that you can practice, that you can actually learn how to reprogram your mind in the way that you want to. But you want to learn how to do that, because people will not make you happy in case you are wanting to be. If you do not want to be happy, well, you can do whatever you want, really, because nobody will actually make you secure more than you actually are.